Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here today, it is options expiration day, and this is the daily options trade. So we're at the monthly April expiration, and I gotta do something with all these options that are in the money. There's been a huge drop in a lot of these stocks, so now I gotta deal with that. I can either take the stock, or you just start rolling. And this one, it looks like it's gonna be a real problem. So I'm going to the monthly. Monthly has the most options on it, and you can see if I go back a week, oh no, that's the last option, 35, but it looks like there's a little bit more headroom, so I could roll it up, but man, I don't know. 20 cents is okay, but I don't even know if it'll execute there. I don't even know if I want it to execute there. I want to try it. I'm going to go 11 cents. Submit. Alright. And the order filled. Oh, good. So that's a done deal. We have HEVI. I was really hoping this would go away. So I'm going to have to cancel this. I was really hoping it would have a nice little pop and we wouldn't have to worry about it. I have to roll it. Looks like 72 cents for a week. That's pretty reasonable. Can I go down one strike? Look at that. 44 cents. If I go up a week, I get $1? No way. Seriously? That's pretty good. If I go next week, $2.44. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, and then I get to roll the strike down, and that's pretty awesome still. I'm doing that. If that fills, that'd be great. And it filled. Amazing. That's awesome. Let's hope I have that much luck with the next stock that I'm looking at. Chewy No, DocuSign. So DocuSign, I love the company, and I'd love to own the stock here, but I just don't have enough money in this account, so I have to roll it. And 7 cents ain't gonna cut it. 87 cents? Whoa, that's pretty good. The monthly, 227. All right, let's not be greedy. I could even roll it down, maybe. No, probably not. That's okay. I'll take it. If that can execute, that would be great. Of course not. Where are we at? Well, we're pretty close. So I should probably just give them a little incentive to take my order. Another penny. Still, nope. I'm chasing it now. Alright, let's chase it down. Here we go. Go. No. It's a race to the bottom. I knew it was too good to be true. Must be a big spread in there. You can see the spread. It's pretty decent. So yeah, unfortunately, this is not working out for me today. Still $2. I'll take $2. No problem. Alright guys, so it looks like I'm out of danger in this portfolio for this option cycle. Everything's been rolled out to May, and all the risk has been managed. So that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you in your options management plan and to manage the risk. Stay tuned for another set of options management here coming up real soon. Please subscribe and smash that like button. Doesn't take much, just smash it. It's really fun. All right. Thanks, guys. See you next time.